The typewriter's keys clacked by themselves, echoing through the empty attic. I stood frozen, breathless, as the old machine rattled out words I hadn't written. Dust motes swirled in the single shaft of moonlight slicing the gloom. I'd found the typewriter at a flea market, drawn to its gleaming brass and chipped ivory keys. Since bringing it home, I'd woken every night at midnight to the same rhythmic tapping above my bedroom. Tonight, I crept up the stairs, heart slamming, to catch whoever, or whatever, was using it. The carriage slid to the left, keys moving with unnatural speed, spelling out my name. The air thickened, the smell of ink and rust choking me. The paper jerked forward, letters carving out a final line. "You will finish this page." My hands moved against my will, fingers pounding the keys as icy numbness crept up my arms. With each word, memories drained from my mind, replaced by alien thoughts. The typewriter's bell chimed. I stared at the page, my life, rewritten in a stranger's voice. My body stood, grinning. I watched, powerless, as it carried the story downstairs, leaving me trapped in the attic, just another forgotten page.